Hello, workaholic. This is Kim, and welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, new video, and new learning for everyone. If you are new to my channel, I talk about freelancing, virtual assistant, and work from home tips. So, if you are interested to learn and earn, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. In this video, I will guide you through the process of setting your prices and packages. And on my previous video, I have talked about how to identify your ideal client, and the link to that video is on the description box below. So we're going to identify the difference between hourly rates and packages. So when you should use them, and then afterwards we will be calculating your price together. And these are the things that you can take into account when you're deciding your prices, which we are going to discuss in a moment. But let's first start with the difference between per hour rates and packages. So there are two different pricing models that virtual assistants tend to use for their services. So first, you've got your per hour rate. So your per hour rate means that you're trading your time for money. So you perform a specified number of work hours for clients and then invoicing them at the end of the month. And when your client needs support, in this case, the hours would be different every month, and your clients would just contact you whenever they needed the help. Or the other option would be to agree on a specific amount of hours per month beforehand, which would be the same every month. So, for example, 30 hours per month at a fixed rate of $100. And then you would invoice your client at the start of the month before starting the work. And that is known as a monthly retainer. And the amount of hours would be decided with your client before you sign the contract with them. So usually with the retainer, any unused hours are not rolled over to the next month because that just makes things complicated further down the line, and it's harder for you to plan your month out. So in this case, the hours would expire at the end of the month, and then the retainer will be renewed again the following month. So that's the quick overview of per hour rates. And let's look at packages. So in package pricing, this is where you bundle your services into a specific or into a package, and you sell an end result or an outcome for a for a fixed fee rather than a specific amount of hours. So for example, one of your packages could be TikTok growth package. So the results of the client will get to increase engagement by 30% and increase of followers by 20% within 3 months. So here the client is buying the results, and the package has a specific time frame. So in this case, example, 3 months. All right. So now that I gave you the overview of hourly rate and packages, we are going to look at these individually in the next videos, and I will show you how to choose or which pricing model you will prefer and how to calculate your rates. So make sure that you subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated once I upload my videos. And thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Peace.